Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A53s, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and locate the screen recorder, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, tap on it, select agree. Now it will ask you for permission to things like calls, just because it needs access to microphone, to screen recorder to actually see the screen, to files so it can save it somewhere. I actually don't know what the contact word in this case for, but here's the microphone, and from there we can select agree, and this will give us the overlay right over here. So we can tap on it to start recording, we can navigate to settings, and we can close this. So let's tap on a red circle. And as you can see, it is now recording. So let's see. Oh, actually I stopped prematurely, so let's try that again. There we go. It's a little bit slow, but yeah, once it starts recording, as you can see, it gives you a countdown right here, and whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. That also includes applications, so if you open some kind of app, it will also record it. From there you can interact with this overlay again, click on the square, and this will save the recording to your gallery. There we go, photos, and let's allow access, and you can see it right over here. And it's already playing, so I'm just gonna let it. So that is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.